News is digging deeper into your concerns surrounding the newly approved Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. This is the first single-dose vaccine approved in the U.S. so far.
Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is live in Springfield with what she learned today about who might benefit from this third option. Audrey?
The Johnson & Johnson vaccine was approved over the weekend. And today, Governor Charlie Baker couldn't give an exact number, but he says he believes Massachusetts' first shipment will be somewhere in the thousands and that it should arrive sometime next week. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is the first approved in the U.S. that's only one dose. Western Mass News asking the president of Bay State Health, Dr. Mark Kerouac, how that could help speed the vaccination process. He says it could be helpful for those unable or unwilling to travel for a second dose.
We are noticing in some quarters people will go ahead and get the first shot of Moderna or Pfizer and not come back for the second one because they got a side effect.
Unlike Pfizer and Moderna, it doesn't require ultra-cold storage. Though the state hasn't announced plans for how it'll be distributed, Kerouac says he hopes it goes to more remote or smaller clinics.
This may favor either smaller sites like offices or small clinics or more remote locations, rural locations, or people who are homebound.
This is also the first COVID shot to use a viral vector rather than mRNA. That means scientists took a weakened adenovirus, like the kind that causes the common cold, and replaced some of its genetic code with that of the coronavirus. When the weakened virus is injected, it can enter cells, but can't make you sick with COVID-19. From there, the body triggers an immune response. Health officials say the vaccine is 85% effective in preventing severe disease.
You should sign up to get it without hesitation.
20 million doses are expected to go out nationwide by the end of March, but as the supply is still ramping up, both doctors say it's unlikely that people will be able to request a specific vaccine brand in the next few months.
We've asked the state to really try to keep it simple and allow us to have one brand of vaccine, and I suspect most clinics will try to do that as well.
It's much more simple logistically if sites are able to focus on one and not have a multitude of vaccines, and really the approach is that all three are safe and effective.
We want to hear from you right now on our Facebook page. There's a question asking you to share your concerns and questions about this vaccine. Again, that's on our Facebook page, Western Mass News. Reporting live, I'm Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.